Hi teachers, this is a tutorial on how to add resources to Google Classroom. You do this the same way you add assignments. Go to classwork in your Google Classroom and click on create and go to material. This is how you could add just a link to a website um, or a file. It could be like a PDF file uh, or could be a video that you want students to watch. I'll show you what all those look like. So I'm just going to name this one, this resource link. You'll be more specific with the one that you set, and then you just add. Click on add here. So it can be a document you have in Google Drive. It could be a link. It could be a file that's just sitting on your hard drive, or it could be a link to a YouTube video as well. So I'm going to add a link. It'll just be to website here. It'll put a little thumbnail for the link there too. You can add description. If you have your class separated into topics, like subject areas, you choose that there here. You can assign it to all students, or you can assign it to just groups of students. Just like the assignment, you can choose whether you schedule this for later, save it as a draft to come back at another time, or post it right away. I'm going to post this one right away, and so then my students will get an email notification that there's something new in their Google Classroom, and now this one floats to the top here. This resource. When students click on it, they'll get this. They'll get a link here and a thumbnail. If the resource instead is like a Google document, they'll get a link to that. If it's a YouTube video, then they'll get the link to that as well. And if you aren't sure what YouTube video the direct link is, you can search for it and find it on here as well. And then you can link to that directly. So yeah, you can pick a video as a resource, and now that would be set that up as a resource. So they need students to click on that and it'd open up YouTube. That is how you attach resources to videos or resources to assignments in Google Classroom.